Okay, so just finished chest day. Today's Thursday, by the way. I didn't feel good today. I won't lie, I didn't feel good today. Still did cardio because we're trying to build discipline. So I did 20 minutes of cardio. I hit chest. I couldn't push as much today. Normally I'm on the 45s pushing. I could only do like 40 kgs today. And so, sorry, I know I'm sweating a lot. I took a vlog for one of my sets. It was my last set. I usually take the vlog on the last set. So that shows I'm struggling. So maybe I'd push harder for you guys to see. So I took a vlog on the last sets I had on the 40 kgs. I did 10 reps. I checked the video. I'll show you the video. And the video was actually upside down. So it was recording the wall instead of me. So I had to do another set. And I was dead. I could only do like 5 or 6. I don't know. But you'll see it in the video now. But like, I was finished, man. I was finished. But that's very unfortunate. And then I did that again for my shorts. So I'm kind of pissed about that. But I'm going to go home now. I'm smiling because I want to trade today. So up 3% on the day, still down 2% on the account. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Genuinely, one of the worst things is this. It's journaling, and I have like a couple of days worth of journaling I need to do. It goes to the 7th of Jan plus today. And about one of these journals take me 5 minutes to fill out. Like you can see, I got a bit lazy here. Don't know why I wasn't filling this in, but yeah, like one of these journals takes about 5 minutes. Everything without the 2026, well, anything from the 2025 downwards I haven't done. So each takes me about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna be here for about a couple of hours. So yeah, see you guys soon. That's good, guys. It's now second session on the Friday. So I took a loss this morning. I don't know why I didn't record it. Let me get to it quickly. It was stupid. Let me tell you, it was really stupid. I broke all my rules in my system. I don't know what I was thinking. I just wanted to probably just take a trade for the day. It was long. There was no change in structure. Momentum was still pushing bearish. I don't know what the hell I saw to take this long, but I did, and it stopped me in a minute. So I'm kind of pissed about that. But I am currently in shorts now. Better 15-minute momentum and 30-minute and 1 hour momentum is shifting downwards. You can see we're creating nice higher lower lows and lower highs. So I'm expecting this low to get taken on the 1 minute. Nice and easy tap in. I was a market execution trade aiming for this low for a nice 1:4.1, so about 1:3 on the account. Or more like 1:2 something on the account. Sorry about that, and I'll let you guys know when it hits TP or when it hits stop loss. Hopefully TP, and we should be back at break even on the account, which is quite good because we were down like 6%. So yeah. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's just been like a minute, and we've hit TP. So we've hit TP on TradingView. It's just that spread. Price needs to go to roughly about here for it to, sorry about that. Price needs to go to about that point there before TP is hit on MT5. So I'm still in my position, and price is reversing. I have moved my stop to break even because I don't want to give away any profits, or I don't want to give any losses. Unfortunately, it is reversing, which is kind of heartbreaking, but we'll let it play out and see what happens. So genuinely, the trade that we took, it hit stop loss. It went back to break even where I had my stop, and it stopped me out for about 0.01% loss on the account, or 0.1% loss on the account. Let me say that rather. And yeah, so that sucks, especially because, you know, the trade played out on TradingView exactly as I asked. It hit TP. It's just that spread didn't take me out. So I guess the thing is, like, I'm stuck because, like, I get wicked out. So my stop loss is very small, and it's for a reason. I am trading on the 1 minute, and it's either like sometimes price needs to go a bit deeper into drawdown before it takes its move. Like I've lost probably like 10 to 15 trades based on spread just like wicking me out. Like the price didn't hit the stop loss, spread wicked me out, and then it went to TP. But on the charts on like TradingView, it didn't it didn't hit TP or anything. And I've lost a lot of trades, like the one that happened today where price hit TP, it missed its spread by about 3 pips. Like spread didn't go enough. Spread didn't account for, I didn't account for spread, and I lost the trade. So it hit TP, didn't fully close because of spread, and then went to break even or take profit, break even or stop loss. So now I'm a bit conflicted because now I've adjusted my spread, so now I don't get wicked out anymore. So like this whole year, if I lost a trade, I lost a trade, like genuinely lost a trade, and I was meant to lose. And it's not because I got wicked out, which is nice, but it does also drop the RR. So like instead of making 4% today, like on TradingView I was meant to make 4%, I make like 3%, or like on a 2% trade I'll make 1.9%. So that's what happens when you adjust for spread, because now I need to adjust my stop loss, make my stop loss bigger, and still risk the same amount. So instead of moving it up like, so like here, so let's say we're taking a short, right? Stop loss is here, your entry is here, and then you take profits down here. Now I need to increase my stop loss up here, and instead of risking $50 here, I need to risk $50 here. So it drops my RR from like a 2%, like a 2% win, to like a 1.9% win, which I'm happy with, right? But now I'm doing that, and I'm still not getting closed at my TP, so I don't know what to do, and it's a bit frustrating. So I'm gonna have to think of ways to do that. Maybe I switch it up again. Maybe I drop my stop loss again. I move it back to I move it back to its normal position, so I'll get the full 4%, and I'll drop my my take profit. So yeah, we'll see. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Oh, we're also about to hit back, so that's gonna be fun. Gonna hit some deadlifts. I haven't done deadlifts in like a couple of months. Oh shit, I'm getting pumple. Haven't done deadlifts in a couple of months, so yeah, let's see how it goes. I need to make this quick. It's pouring outside. I got soaked in the rain. Just finished back day. I did 120 kg deadlift. I failed on the 140. My phone's at 2%. It's gonna die. Gonna go home. Gonna shower. My feet and socks are soaked. Probably the worst feeling ever. But yeah, oh shit, there's a lot of lightning. I'm gonna head home now. I'll check you guys later. I'm gonna put you guys in charge. Yeah, see you guys later. So, today's Monday. I genuinely had a bad day today, and I think gym was the last thing I wanted to do, but it's leg day, and I promised myself I'll stick to this 5-day thing. I was in bed. I just woke up from a nap, and I really didn't want to go to gym. Hey, I really didn't want to go, but again, I thought to myself, if you're going to build discipline, you need to do what you said you're going to do when things get hard. And I said, I'm going to gym today to hit legs. So here we are. I'm gonna hit a session of legs, and I'll see how I feel afterwards, and I'll let you guys know. So cool. See you later. Okay, yo, lighting is absolute shit. Lighting is absolutely terrible. But Just finished cardio, as you can see, and leg day. It's now nighttime. Gonna go home, shower, shave, not shave, but shower, and then eat, and then that's my day done. Do the accountability report for tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, so we just took a long position, and it played out quite nicely. Just a nice, there's a bit of a range, came into the lower half of the range, took a continuation upwards. Unfortunately, I did close early because I am a yeah, that's kind of disappointing. That's kind of sad. I'm a scalper, so I wasn't holding for a very long high. Imagine I did. So I got 2.88% from this trade. Let's see what I would have gotten if I held. About 15% gain on the account. So that's heartbreaking, but I mean, at least we're building the account up again. I was roughly at positive 8% in December, and now I'm sitting at negative 6%. So that's kind of sad, but January has been horrible to me. I think my strategy isn't doing too well in January, but you know, your strategy has those months where you do very well and then you do really badly. Remember, some big traders have majority of their winning position, or like they make their most money within a certain months, and the rest of the time they just break even or above or just a bit profitable, but they make the most money in some of those months. So yeah, no other trade that happened today. My timing is now up for me to be busy, so yeah, I'm gonna record another video and I will see you guys soon. So ironically, I came to the gym in the morning because there'll be less people and I can film more content, but there's a lot of people, so I'm still gonna film content. These for reps. Yo, what's good, guys? Sorry, I look like this. I was taking a nap. I passed my third year. So I'm getting a degree. I'm now a Wits graduate. Guess Wits for life. It was hell, but it was a good experience. I'm not gonna say anything else besides that. Just pure hard work. A good what's the word? I'm trying not to say and I realize I say and a lot. So having a good background in terms of friends and people to always have your back, phenomenal. I'm trying to do better with this recording thing. But yeah. So anyway, besides that, took a nap because I woke up at 4:15 this morning. I'm trying to do better, so I want to hit gym in the mornings. But I have another video out on that, so we're in a trade now. That's what this whole video is for. We're in a trade. Price action is kind of shitty, but let's take a look. So came up, we're kind of consolidating now. Overall structure is bearish, so we are pushing downwards. So I saw this market structure shift. We had a shift into a breaker structure to the high and then a shift to the low. So expected a bit of a pullback. Now I'm expecting price to go a bit lower, take out these lows, hopefully continue to follow trend. However, we are ranging. In terms of a range, as long as we sold above the 50% and we buy below the 50%, we'll be fine. However, I'm a bit worried. So the main draw on liquidity was here. However, this high did touch into previous bearish liquidity. So I'm like, maybe we've taken enough for the next push down. Hopefully we don't take this high and then go down. Again, I chose to weigh out my risks and enter the trade rather than missing the trade. I'll show you what I missed out today. So if I can find my mouse. Oh, here's my mouse. So today during Frankfurt session, there was, don't worry about these two trades, but there was this trade here. So again, same scenario as that one. Then we this wick here touched the drawn liquidity on the higher time frame. However, there was another drawn liquidity higher, so I wanted actually price to come up here, but I should have just, you know, not FOMO'd in. I should have just entered in instead of waiting a bit longer, because I think we grabbed enough liquidity over here, and then price just continued going down. So this entry followed my rules. These entries didn't follow my rules. I just showed position tools here for what I would have done. But yeah, now we've entered this, sitting in a bit of a profit, thankfully. Hopefully we'll go straight down to take profit. I'll see you guys, and I'll update you guys on this trade soon. Yo, so just quick update, hit stop loss. So just came up, hit stop loss. Trade done for the day. I have another about 20 minutes left in the charts. Then I'm done for today. If another setup occurs, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, see you guys soon. Yo, what's up guys? I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to say that last video sequence you saw was a congregation of the last few weeks, and I've been nervous about recording in the gym, and I get scared, so I'm trying to do better. I am currently starting university next week, so there'll be more videos on uni with my friends, hopefully, if they're willing to partake in my journey. And I'm going to be waking up early at about a new schedule from next week, so you'll see it in an eventual video, hopefully posted on Sunday or Wednesday. I'll probably do 2 parts every week, and I will see you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Good luck for next week. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon.